Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to draw in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, you can draw for this layer on layer or part by layer. I select part by layer. Added the layer, then draw brush pencil. I first of all use brush. Click the brush. Now see this many anything brush. Brush size spacing. Okay, or another way to draw, pen tool, click shape, color, hold alter, then click for remove, hold alter, click for remove. Okay, or right click mouse, use the pen tool, shape, single stroke, draw, or color. Okay, fix size, hold shift. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.